understand Pythagoras theorem. As we know, Pythagoras describes the property of right angle triangle. So what is the statement of Pythagoras theorem? It states that in any right angled triangle, the square of the longest side is the sum of squares of the remaining two sides. So as you know, the side opposite to right angle is the longest side. So in the figure, AC is the longest side. So we need to write AC square equals to, now remaining two sides are AB square plus BC square. So this is the Pythagoras theorem. So let's clarify it more clearly. If we take a reference angle, let us suppose we take a reference angle C as theta. Be careful, reference angle can be taken only acute angles. So here in the right angle triangle ABC, either angle A or angle C only can be taken as reference angle. So what is the definition of hypotenuse? It is the longest side in a right angle triangle. So side opposite to right angle is 90 degree. Hypotenuse. Side opposite to reference angle is perpendicular. So AC is hypotenuse and AB is perpendicular. And the common side which is adjacent to right angle and the reference angle is represented as base. So here BC is base. So by the same definition we can write h square equals to p square plus b square. So this is called Pythagoras theorem. This also can be written as h equals to root under p square plus b square, or by arranging from here we can find the value of p square and then we can get h square minus b square. This relation also we have got from Pythagoras theorem only, or p equals to root under h square minus b square. Pythagoras theorem or Pythagoras relation, it is the same thing, and finally we get b square equals to h square minus p square, that is b equals to root under h square minus p square. So this is all about Pythagoras theorem.